We've got pending home sales at record lows, interest rates dropping below 7%, record equity, and future market forecasts that could change the game. If you're thinking about selling in the next 12 to 18 months, you want to watch this video. First, pending home sales, which means these are homes that are currently under contract that have not yet closed, and they're at record lows ever recorded. Yes, even lower than during the financial crisis. This tells me that buyers are being very selective and homes are overpriced and they're not marketed correctly because they're just sitting on the market. If you decide to list now, then you could beat the wave of competition that's coming on the market and capitalize on a lot more equity in your house. My next point is record home equity. Even with sales slowing, there are a lot of homeowners that are sitting on a huge amount of equity in their homes. This is actually a huge opportunity for some homeowners. Selling while values are this high and capitalizing on all that equity in your house gives you a ton of leverage. Moving on to my third point is that mortgage rates have finally dipped below 7%. Now, the great news with this is that since mortgage rates have dipped below 7%, this is the first time we have seen it below 7% and probably staying below that number in months. That's actually a big psychological win for buyers, bringing them back into the market looking to purchase. But historically, these drops have not lasted very long. So this wave of new buyers jumping back into the market probably won't last all that long. Moving on to my next point, which is market uncertainty. Industry leader Gary Keller is predicting a real estate recession until late 2026, not 2025, 2026. If that plays out, today's high prices and huge mounds of equity for homeowners will not last. We're going to sidestep just a quick second with my next point, which is a potential rental market shakeup. There's actually news of a proposed settlement with Greystar over rental collusion. If rental rates take a hit, then you will see investors looking to get out of their investment properties and sell very quickly, which is going to increase inventory in the investor rental market. And my last point, home prices. Slowing growth, still high. Nationally, home prices are slowing, but in certain neighborhoods, condo buildings, and certain sectors of real estate markets, they're still holding strong. We might be near the top. So selling at the peak will determine how much money you're going to walk away with in your pocket. Here's the bottom line. We're in a rare moment where equity is at record highs, inventory is still manageable, and the interest rates dipped just low enough to attract buyers back into the market. But record low pending sales and the forecast of a market slowdown is going to cause this window for you to sell to close very quickly. If you're thinking about selling, please reach out. I'd love to help you out, be a resource to you. My name is Mike Fiebernitz with RE/MAX Southern Shores. Got 15 years of experience in helping sellers navigate real estate. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and drop me a comment. Let me know how I can help you out. Have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next video.